You are welcome back to the channel. Sometimes there are so many things that we do and ignore when we are about to set up our trades, which brings our account to the red. We have to look at certain parameters and certain factors that are put together to play successfully to bring our trades to the green. And in this video, I want to open up to you some of the strategies that we can put up in our trade setup to make sure that we win in that trade. Let's dive into it. And I want us to look at how we can identify certain confluences that come together to give us a picture of how a stock is moving and how we can jump in. All right. Number one, as a beginner trader, when you are looking at setting up your trades, what do you start with? And I believe that all of us go straight away to look at selecting a particular stock that you want to trade, a particular sticker. Let me use Alibaba for an example. So you want to trade Alibaba. Number one, what you should look at is how are you going to trade it? Are you doing a day trading? Are you entering for a swing trade? Are you buying to hold? Right. Are you scalping? So all these will inform you as to what parameters and what strategies you need to employ into this trade that you're about to enter. And talking about picking a stock, Alibaba, then we should be looking at volume. We should be looking at movement. I always say you have to choose a stock. Like if you are somebody who wants to day trade or swing trade, then you have to look for a stock that there's some movement up and down in it, which we call volatility. Now, if there's volatility in this stock that you want to trade, then you can choose your time. Because if you are doing day trading, then that will inform you as to whether by the time market closes, you would have met your targets. If you are doing swing trading, then that will also inform you the date that you have chosen for, if it is options, then the end of your contract, whether you would have succeeded in running away with profits. And so you need to look at volatility. Right. So that is what will inform you to choosing your stock, Alibaba. And then we look at what is pushing the stock up or what is pushing the stock down. Are you into this trade to buy for the price to go up? Or you are into this, you are entering a trade that the price is already up and then you are coming down with it. So you are entering for a sale. Right. So we look at certain volumes as people are buying the stock. People are entering and exiting. What is the volume of the people entering, to go up? What is the volume of the people entering to come down with the price? You have to be able to understand and then identify these factors. Then you can also jump in. We have the common saying that says that majority carries the vote. So if people are buying, well, you can also do your analysis and look at the volume. If a lot of people are buying and a small number of people are selling, that should tell you that the big number will push the stock price up. Got it? Right. So we are moving to the third one, and that is, what does the chart tell you? And again, that is the technical analysis. What does it read at this time? Well, you have looked at volatility. That is one factor. There is movement. You've looked at volume. People are buying. But what does the chart also tell us? Is the chart at a certain support level or resistance level? Is it at a place that is signaling a buy. Remember, we learned about the candlesticks. Is it at a place that there is something hammering that beyond this price shouldn't go? So you should be able to identify that from your charts. And by the time you are able to identify all these three factors that I have mentioned, then you will be confident as to what path you are taking, whether to buy or to sell. Right. The other thing I want to talk about, which I love to talk about, is that what are market sentiments about this particular stock? Sometimes you wake up and a particular stock has either run up or it has, fallen so fast. There must be something, some news about the company or something, right? So you need to be able to check to see, is there anything influencing the movement of this sharp fall or sharp rise of the price of this company? If there's nothing like that and your previous analysis are good, then you need to you know what to do at this point. And then the fifth point is how you can manage your risk. Well, all these factors comes together to form a confluence to give you the edge to go into your trade. But don't go in with large amount of your trading capital. You must have a certain amount, and like I've always said, when I started trading, I always traded with 5% of my portfolio, not more than that. 5%. And then I put my stop loss, right? Yes. So you should be able to manage your risk and do not over leverage your accounts. Okay? And the last one I want to talk about is how to put your stop loss. Yes, you are excited about the fact that you have so many factors informing you that this stock price is going up or is going to come down, but we have to cover ourselves. We have to protect ourselves. We have to be in the roof when it starts to rain. All right? Protect yourself. Put your stop loss. And as much as possible, you can also put your take profit. Because I always say that sometimes you are trading a stock and you think that you've entered into a contract, options contract for a week. The following day, stock prices, but if you don't have a take profit at a point, then it can go, you were not there to take the profit. And the way it went, it can come the same way down. All right? Don't let it come down for you to now be waiting for, oh, I missed it. I need to wait for it to come up again. No, you would have been gone if you had set up your take profits. Okay? Right. So I want us to take these strategies. I want us to look out for these confluences. And I believe that if we are able to take all these 6 factors into consideration and they play together at a certain point in a stock price, then you will be very much informed as to what type of trade setup you want to undertake. Right. Once again, I will say, if you have found any value in this video, in this content, please don't forget to like. I will encourage you that in this channel, I'm going to be bringing out some of these strategies, some of these factors, tools and techniques that we can use to identify trade setups that can guarantee us our profits. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading stocks, subscribe to this channel. If you're a beginner trader, subscribe. And for those who are channel members, I want to appreciate you at this time. And I want to say keep liking and keep commenting. And until we meet on the next video, stay strong and stay happy. Bye.